Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to underline text on your PDF file using Wondershare PDF element. Open your PDF file with Wondershare PDF element and I will underline this text. Click on this edit option and this left side option, this top menu bar. Here you will find this edit text option and select that text. Now click on this text box and drag your mouse cursor, select your text you want to underline, and this right sidebar top option. Here you will find this properties option and this underline option. Click on this underline and see this text underline now apply. Also I will apply this underline this text and see this text now underline. In this way you can underline text, character or a specific word. Finally select this file option, save or save as a PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comment.